Hello, welcome to back my YouTube channel Future Wheels. Today, we're taking a ride through history with a true automotive legend, the Peugeot 504. This car has stood the test of time, and in 2025, it remains a symbol of reliability, style, and innovation. We'll take a deep dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap it up with our final thoughts. So, buckle up and let's hit the road. Exterior. The Peugeot 504 was first introduced in 1968, but its design still looks stunning today. Styled by the legendary Italian design house Pininfarina, this car boasts a timeless elegance. The rectangular headlights, long hood, and sleek body shape give it a distinct European charm. And let's not forget the chrome accents that add a touch of sophistication. Whether in sedan, coupe, or wagon form, the 504 is a head-turner on any road. Another reason why the 504's exterior is so respected. Durability. Peugeot built this car to withstand some of the harshest driving conditions, from African deserts to European city streets. Interior. Step inside the Peugeot 504, and you'll find a cabin that blends comfort and simplicity. The interior was designed with practicality in mind, featuring plush seating, a spacious layout, and a driver-focused dashboard. The wood-trimmed dashboard and classic analog dials give off a retro vibe that still feels classy today. Peugeot ensured that comfort was a priority, especially with the soft suspension setup, making long drives an absolute pleasure. And here's something nostalgic: manual window cranks. No fancy touchscreens here, just mechanical simplicity at its finest. Performance. Now, let's talk performance, because the 504 isn't just about looks, it's about capability too. Under the hood, Peugeot offered a variety of engines, including the indestructible 2.3L diesel and the smooth 2.0L petrol. These engines were designed to last, and some 504s are still running strong today, over 50 years later. In fact, the Peugeot 504 was so tough that it dominated rally racing in Africa, proving its rugged reliability. With its rear-wheel drive setup and high ground clearance, it could handle rough terrain like a champ. And that ride quality. Smooth as silk, thanks to Peugeot's fully independent suspension, a rare feature for its time. So, why does the Peugeot 504 still have a place in automotive history? Simple, it's elegant, reliable, and built to last. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates great engineering, the 504 is a masterpiece that continues to turn heads in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car content. Comment below, what's your favorite thing about the Peugeot 504? Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired. Thanks for using my channel Future Wheels. Please like, share and subscribe.